This is the emergency alert system. This is not to test a funnel cloud. Has been spotted at 3:16 p.m. The NWS radar has spotted a supercell at 3 o'clock. It may cause a tornado. If you spot a tornado, go in the basement. This is not a test. And now back to the program.
Well, wouldn't you know it? The one thing that didn't shrink was his appetite. Hey, Tails, what are you doing?
Having lunch, Sonic. Want some?
No, thanks, little bud. You know, I love chili dogs, but the old bond needs some fruit and vegetables now and then. Milk and dairy products, too. Not to mention fish and poultry. Don't forget your breads and cereals. You need premium fuel to run your best.
Oh, right.
Always look on the bright side of life.
Who the hell do you think you are?